Class is done, pre-consumed, pump of weights. So let's get after it. Yeah. Boo. Yeah. 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 Ooh. Okay, a couple more just like that. Same weight. Bro, it's packed in here. The crowd meter said three, whatever. Three. Yeah, but I, I'm lucky I snagged this. All right. Yeah. Okay. Make it a drop set. Okay. I think I just rushed into this next set a little too quick. So you're seeing this. The phone is it's on my Gatorade bottle, but it's like halfway. Hopefully, when I come back, this is still available. Then I'm just gonna quickly chug some water, fill it up, and come right back here. So let's see if that happens. All right. So what is my luck? We're back here, baby. Is this on? Yeah, you're on. You can hear me, right? La, la, la. This is 70 pounds. Let's just see how many I can do. I already feel a pump forming. Ooh, and that was only 2 sets. So all you need for a good chest day is like 7 sets, like working good heavy sets. Not so much heavy too. A mixture of heavy and then squeezing. So let's go before someone says, "How many more sets do you have?" Some shit like that. Drops it. 70. Let's make it fucking 40. Really squeeze that. Now, I don't know if my seat should be higher or lower. Tell me in the comments. I think it should be like nipple, right? I don't know. Even if you can't complete a full rep, don't stop. Do some partials, bro. That gets more tension and more blood flow. So it's like you're gonna feel like you're gonna pop. Like your chest is a balloon right now. And the more and more blood that gets in it, it's like a water balloon. Just fucking pop one day. Maybe if you're on steroids. then it's just going to grow as much as you can and even more. But for me, 100% natural. So next step. Let's drop it. Oh shit, I'm at 60. Let's drop it to 40. Oh, fuck. Go. Bro. Oh, I wish I had that. That was the hardest rep I ever pushed. Fuck. All right. How many sets was that? Count for me. Okay, thank you. All right, I think we're gonna move on. All right, boys. Another machine that I fucking snagged. I don't know how I got it. I mean, the cardio section is always full here. Like this is their staple. This Planet Fitness at least. But it's like packed. Almost every machine is popping. So this is a random weight. I don't even know what it is. Let's just try it. Okay. What is that? Oh shit, 140? What is it? Yeah, 140. All right, we're gonna drop it at 100. All right, this is gonna be like more squeeze focused. Like these couple sets. If I could fucking get my hand. All right. Let's make it a drop set. Oh, fuck. All right. Same thing as before. Oh my god, I'm so lightheaded. Same thing as before. I'm just gonna run and get some water. Hopefully this or the pec deck is open. So currently both pec decks are available. So the plan is I'm gonna do. Fuck. Never mind. Someone just took it. Oh, never mind. The plan was to do like one set here with a drop set, and then immediately go to the pec deck. But I guess we're just gonna camp here for a couple more. Fuck, man. But it's not gonna affect the pump. I mean, it might, but you just gotta overcome it, bro. Find another movement. You just do the same movement until that opens up. So, yeah. Okay. Drop set, yeah. Fuck it. Fuck. And that was only 40 pounds. So, all right. We'll see what's next. You want to use? Yeah, you can use it. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. All right. The plan is just 5 and 5, just until I'm dead. Yep. Thank you. All right. So it was cut down to the, well, basically one set with the drop set with the pec deck because, bro, I ran for my life from the single table all the way there, and she just got there, and I was like, please let me just do 2 sets, and she said yeah. So I was like, fuck yeah. So thank you to that. Let's check this pump. If anyone's wondering what my dream car is, it's a Mustang. All right, and that's chest day, just like that. Damn, it didn't feel like a lot of sets. Then I looked at it, I did a lot of drop sets. Now, again, Hello Kitty merch gives you plus 10 gains, so I would cop something. You know, Black Friday's coming up. Not sponsored, by the way. I just like Hello Kitty. It's fun, it's cool, it's cute. What? Nah, man. Do drop sets count as sets? Or does the one set, like if you do a set, like a working set, and then you do 15, nah, fuck that. But like, and then you do like 3 drop sets. Does that count as 1 whole set? Or is that 4 sets? You know what I mean? But doesn't matter. Gotta pump. I'm tired. And honestly, that half the meatball sub that I ate before this, like an hour before, well, I feel hungry as a dog. So I'm probably gonna just eat the rest of that and make myself a couple Nutella sandwiches with peanut butter, crunchy style. Not crunchy, chunky. Well, I guess it's crunchy because it's crunchy peanut butter, or the peanuts are in it. But a couple of those, and yeah, man. I did 2 sets of biceps. Literally, I should have recorded this because I felt strong. Well, to the point where I was like, oh wow, I could pick this up. I wanted to get the 40s, but some guy just took them. So then I had to get the 45s. There was no other weight. Let's make this fucking light. There was no other weight besides 55s and the 30s. And I was like, no way, fucking 55s, bro. Nuh-uh. I warmed up with 30s, like 3, 4, what am I fucking talking about, bro? Let me calm down. Because my arm was getting tired because I was holding the camera. But I did like 10 reps of the 30s. Then I tried to move on to the 40s. He took them, so I did 45s for 8. And then I was like, holy shit. But then I stopped there because I don't want a bicep pump. I'm not doing that split. I'm doing just focusing on the chest today. But it was kind of cool how I lifted the 45 pounds effortlessly. This lighting kind of hits. I could think this is where the outro is going to be. So, just saying, you know, it doesn't take a lot of time to hit pump, to get a pump. All you need is a gym membership and your brain. And you can work the magic in here, in your cerebrum, to get a pump. So, see you tomorrow for back.